Every breakthrough in AI depends on one thing: data centers. Tech companies are investing billions into new facilities to power cloud computing, AI, and the digital economy. But as data center construction accelerates, so does resistance. Communities across the U.S. are raising concerns about energy demand, water consumption, noise, and pressure on local infrastructure. Projects worth billions of dollars are facing delays, restrictions, and growing regulatory scrutiny. Renewable energy, advanced cooling technologies, and water-efficient systems are helping reduce their environmental footprint. Achieving these goals requires smarter planning from day one. BIM helps teams optimize energy performance, reduce waste, improve coordination, and make better decisions before construction begins. The future of AI isn't just about building more data centers. It's about building better ones.